Have you ever had a moment where you swore something happened one way, only to find out later it was completely different? Or wondered what your life would be like if you had made just one different choice? What if I told you that somewhere out there, in another universe, another version of you made that choice? According to the multiverse theory, our universe may not be the only one. In fact, there could be infinite parallel universes, each with different versions of reality, including different versions of you. Some scientists believe this isn't just speculation, but a real possibility supported by quantum mechanics and cosmology. Today, we'll explore the mind-blowing evidence behind the multiverse theory and what it means for our existence. Stay tuned, because this might change the way you see reality forever. The multiverse theory suggests that beyond our own universe, there are countless other universes, each with its own version of reality. These universes could exist side by side, layered like pages in a book, or they could be vastly different dimensions, entirely separate from one another. There are multiple theories about how these universes could exist. One of the most fascinating comes from quantum mechanics, the science of the very small. Quantum physics tells us that particles can exist in multiple states at once until they are observed. Some scientists believe this strange phenomenon could apply on a cosmic scale, meaning every possible outcome of an event creates a new universe where that possibility becomes real. One of the strongest scientific arguments for the multiverse comes from the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. This theory was proposed by physicist Hugh Everett III in 1957 and suggests that every time a quantum event occurs, reality splits, creating multiple branching timelines where every possible outcome happens in a different universe. For example, let's say you flip a coin. In our universe, it lands on heads, but in another universe, it lands on tails. In yet another, it never lands at all. This means that with every decision, big or small, an alternate reality is created where a different version of you made a different choice. Right now, there could be countless versions of you living completely different lives based on choices you never made here. Quantum mechanics isn't the only branch of science that suggests a multiverse exists. Cosmology, the study of the universe on the grandest scale, also points to the possibility of infinite universes. One leading theory is the bubble universe theory, which comes from the idea of cosmic inflation, the rapid expansion of space that happened just after the Big Bang. Some scientists believe that inflation didn't happen evenly across the cosmos. Instead, it created separate bubbles of space-time, each forming its own universe with its own laws of physics. This would mean our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam surrounded by countless others we may never see. If there are infinite universes, why haven't we found proof? One of the biggest challenges with the multiverse theory is that these universes may be impossible to observe. Since they exist outside our own space-time, we may never be able to directly detect them. However, some scientists believe we might be able to find clues to the multiverse's existence. For example, if our universe has ever bumped into another universe, it could leave subtle marks in the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang. Researchers are already searching for these cosmic fingerprints, and if they find them, it could be groundbreaking evidence that we are not alone in the multiverse. The multiverse theory challenges everything we know about existence. If it's true, it means that every possible reality exists somewhere out there. There could be universes where history took a completely different course, where other versions of you made different choices, or where the laws of physics themselves are unrecognizable. So, what do you think? Do infinite versions of you exist in parallel universes? Are we just one of many realities? Drop your theories in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if this blew your mind, check out our last video, Quantum Mechanics Proves Reality is an Illusion, where we break down the strange science that suggests reality isn't as solid as it seems. And don't forget to tune in for our next episode. Time travel might be real. And scientists have proof. It's going to be a journey through time like you've never seen before. Hit subscribe and stay curious.